Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, March 17th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So after the bulls come out of balance to the upside on the daily, we'll see if we get any follow through. Couple of things. So we had the disconnect kind of with the rollover for ES. Well, today we have the SPY dividend. So if you notice, ES is trading up here, SPY traded below K's low. Again, that's because of the dividend. So the profiles will be off a little bit as we go throughout the day and in the coming days. But the bigger picture is this. Bulls would like to hold what they did yesterday, right? You'd like to hold this trend day, or at least some of it. Remains to be seen. NQ has a chance for an outside week up. They had an outside day up yesterday, which proved to be very, very powerful to the upside. Now they have a chance for an outside week up if they're able to close above last week's high. Right now they've been trading. Again, we had double distribution today. So we're way up in the upper distribution right now in NQ and above yesterday's high. Righty also had a double distribution day, but as you can see, they're a little bit different as they've been trading down towards the lower end of the upper distribution. As far as ES and SPY, again, we've been firmly in the upper end. Obviously, this is low because of the dividend. So on a day like today, we'll use more ES as the powerful tool to see if we come back and fill these single prints, right? It would mean much more if ES fills their single prints as opposed to SPY, because SPY could fill them because of the dividend involved. As far as the game plan, we'll be recapping all of these charts, all three of these indices tonight from top down. So right now, in balance, in value, market might be doing some digesting. We do have options expiration today, along with the dividend. So right in here, really no play. We got up to, I left yesterday early, remember. We're the only one that price probe. I didn't use L's high because it didn't take out, M didn't take it out by enough for me to use it. So we're getting some digestion here and consolidation. So in balance, in value, not a great risk reward play. Now remember, yesterday K was a beautiful pullback because we had higher value. You had everything going for the buyers. Now I'm not saying you can't take a long against K's low, but there'll be different circumstances, context. If we do get back to K's low, well, first of all, we'll have unchanged value instead of higher. Number two, the indices will be down somewhat instead of up. So these are all the things you have to keep in mind. It does not mean you can't take a long against it. I would just use a couple of points as my out below it, and then maybe try again somewhere if they were to fill around C single prints. That would be really my next long. As far as the short play, if we're to push up now, where there were buyers in M period, you can probably take a short against L's high and use the day's high as your out, as I don't think I'd want to take 10 points worth of heat to the overnight high. Or you could wait and see if they take out the yesterday's high and then short the overnight high the first time. But we'll see how we react to 4,000 the first time. Okay? So those are all early plays. Again, in the trading room, you'll be getting this up to the minute live for 6.5 hours. Chart-wise, I'm just going to show you the daily. We came out of a 4-day balance to the upside. We got above the 200-day moving average by $3.50. The 20 is up at 397.13. Okay, so remember this. I'm going to assume the dividend was about $1.50. So we'll see if we get close to it. The 20 has been coming down. So we'll see if the bulls are going to able to test the 20-day moving average today, and more importantly, stay above the 200. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.